So this is a short demonstration on how to use the Bartec Augmented Reality application. So here we start the application, and you see you have written here tap screen to place or use 2 fingers to scale. So you simply find a surface on the floor and just move the camera around a bit so that it finds a decent surface. And then using 1 finger you can tap and hold to move it around. So for example, we want to place it here against the wall, just let go. And then you can use 2 fingers to scale the scene up or down. And you can also double tap to reset the scene to the original size. If you need to lift the scene up, you have the height here. So you can press the 70 and it lifts it to 70 centimeters off the ground. And you can also add a floor if you want some kind of surface underneath.
Okay, and now, yeah.
And now you have some of you may have seen this before, it's the same UI. And you have the option to change the scenes here. So right now we're looking at the chemical plant. If you press the T, then it goes to the terminal, and the R goes to the refinery. So this is the scene changing. You still have the filter at the top. So the engineering and analysis solutions and the automation and enterprise mobility. And if you want to hide all of these icons, you can simply just close the menu and it resets it. So you see here it's currently in English, but you can change it at the top here and it will switch it to German. And then the same features as before, you can double tap to see the product view. It has the information. Some products have a film, some have further information pages. This one here has a film which you can scroll through and pause and play, continue. And you can exit like this, turntable.
Do we have one with information?
Yeah, I think the Polaris. The Polaris actually has both.
Has both, which is good. So just tap on the information.
Yeah. So these are the information pages for the Polaris. You have this scroll here to see the further information, and you also still have the link to the website, which takes you out of the application, but then you can just with the iPad double tap the home button and then switch back to the application. And if for any reason you want to replace the scene, to reposition the scene,
okay, yeah,
then you can press the settings icon here, and then this takes you back to the original menu where you can do all the same features again. So you can place it on the floor or raise it up or take the old floor out.
Yeah. Shall we do the one with the white floor where it has no features?
If in the case that you have a surface which is too reflective or doesn't have any features, well, in this case it kind of works, but not perfectly. But if it doesn't work, then you can place the business card down and it will work with any business card from Bartec.
From Bartec, yeah.
Yeah, any business card from Bartec.
So we just place the business card here. If it's on a white floor and there is no difference between the whiteness here, then it's going to have a hard time. So you might have to place something which is like black, yeah, for maximum contrast. But it works here with this different shades of white.
So you see here when you hold the iPads over the business cards, and then you get this orange grid and the scene pops in, so then it's initialized the position, and you can step back or do all of the features before, like raise it up, and then you're good to go.
Here we don't have the floor in there. If you want to later on put the floor in,
just go back to the settings and then add the floor on here.
Press OK again. And then everything is still the same.
You can still look at the products close up. They now flash to draw your attention more. and you can see them through the building, so people can explore themselves.
So you can even go in here and see, okay, that's the control room and it has all these features. See the other stuff, like the lights are still highlighted. As I look through. So by pressing different buttons, you can increase or reduce visual complexity. Sometimes it's really good to turn off everything and then just show one part.